If you want to create a QR menu for your restaurant or your cafe, menucamp offers you a simple service that easily you can create a QR menu. To start, please go to menucamp.com and click on the sign up free button. Once you provide your email, name and password, you can simply log into your account. Once you logged in with your email and password, you will see the dashboard. First, you need to create your restaurant. If you have more than one restaurant, please list all your restaurants here. Clicking on the restaurant on the left side and click on the button on the create restaurant, you are able to create your restaurant. Once you filled all the information about your restaurant, you can click on create restaurant. And as you can see, now you have your restaurant here. Second, you need to create your menu items. Click on the items and click on create menu item. Add all the information about this item. For example, name, description and amount. Then please click on create menu item. Once you fill all the information about your second menu items, please click on create menu item. Now if you created all the items, please go to your menu. Give a name to your menu. And now you have to select your restaurant here. And once you selected your restaurant or multiple restaurant, you can click on publish menu and create menu. Now you have successfully created your first menu. Now you can add all the items you needed for this menu. On the right side, you can see these three dots. You can click on this and then you can click view to see all your data about your menu. You can download your QR code and you can see the link. Clicking on the menu builder, you can start building your menu. First, you can add a section. For example, drinks. Save changes. And now I can add items that I created. Like this, you can add multiple sections. Once you're done with building your menu, simply press save. Now your menu has been saved. If you go back to the menu, clicking on the menu on the left and again click on the three dots and click on the view. Now you can copy this link in your browser and open this. You can see the menu you created. In mobile, it will look like this. If you need to download your printable version of the QR code, simply click on the download printable document here. We will generate a printable version of your QR code here. Otherwise, you can download the QR code and create your own design. Once you're done with creating a menu and creating your QR design, you can place this on your restaurant or cafe in front of the door or anywhere you prefer. And when visitors are coming to your menu using the QR code, you can simply see the data and how many visitors online, how many visits for this week, and how many unique visits and how long they are staying on the menu. For example, it will look like this. Thank you for watching the video.